This is our son, Jack. He is 15 years old.
And he's in a wheelchair, and he uses this as primary mode of transportation.
We were looking for an elevator that can accommodate Jack's needs. That would be easy for us to handle, as he grew and enjoy this whole house. Originally, we really just thought an elevator would go into a closet, which is what the norm of what we've always, you see. If a special needs family needs a lot of, storage, so I wasn't willing to give up a closet. So when we discovered your company, we realized it was so simple. There was no cords. There was nothing that we could, Jack is very easy to get close to it. We were able to it's actually like a statement piece. Everybody has to do with it. Nobody realizes that this is our elevator when they walk in the house. We wanted to make sure he was as comfortable as possible, but the elevator is such a smooth ride that you really don't even feel it. And now it's kind of fun.
Right.
For him. It was scary because at first I thought there's no way the bigger wheelchair was going to fit, but there's so much room in there that I was pretty shocked that the wheelchair was enough space. And it's great also when, my in-laws or somebody comes over that, can't do the stairs. It allows for that space to be there, and it doesn't interrupt Jack when he's sleeping at night. If we use the lift and we go on the elevator, it doesn't really wake him up. The sound is very quiet, which is huge for us because once you go to bed, we like to keep them sleeping all night.
The installation was done in hours.
We were shocked. No mess, no cables, nothing. So it's actually really impressive. And it was very affordable. They were willing to work with us. The most amazing thing was that they had a heart. They realized our needs, and they were great with Jack.